Alright, what's really good, everybody? Today I got a package. I got some new wheels for the Miata. It's just a quick unboxing and like a quick show of the wheels. Let me get the thumbnail. Nice. Alright, I picked these up off of eBay. They're Vors wheels. They had like a huge sale on these. I never heard of them really. I heard of them from a local Miata guy who was in the last video. So shout out to him for telling me. But I went and checked them out online. They're pretty sick. They're pretty much like XXRs. They have a nice like 3-inch lip. This is the VR3. Yeah, they're gonna go on this car. These are the wheels. They have like the center cap, like BBS, RS style. They're gonna look pretty sweet. And I got new tires, so I'm gonna have to go to the tire shop and get those put on. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. Just a quick review on them. Sorry for the delay in the video. I've been real busy with work and stuff. This video, I've had the wheels for like a week. So yeah, that's the wheels, and these are the tires. I ordered these too online. If you order tires, just go on eBay. I paid like 400 bucks for these almost here in town for this car. They're the same tires. They're Toyo Extensa 2s. Yeah, they're 195, 50, 15. They're a pretty good little tire. I like them on this car. I've had them for a while, and I like how they grip and everything. These are a good all-around tire too. They're Toyos. These are like 200 bucks. So I mean, I got a sweet deal on them. Yeah, so on the next video, I'll just be at the tire shop getting these put on, then put on the car. I gotta wash up the car and stuff. I'm trying to get all situated. Yeah, but these are the Vors wheels. You may be able to find some on eBay still. The company went out of business. They're like heavily liquidated. I got these for like the cost. So it's super cheap. If you guys have any questions or anything, just let me know. I'll see you on the next one when I'm putting the wheels on the Miata.